Today, we provide a precise overview of the installation process for the Growatt HOPE 5.0L-P1 LV battery. The HOPE 5.01L-P1 battery is compatible with SPF, SPM, SPE, WIT series LV battery inverters for the residential energy storage system. Note: the battery bracket accommodates up to 6 batteries in a stacked configuration, while the cabinet is designed to install 6 units also. An integrated battery display screen is available as an optional feature. The key features of HOPE 5.0L-P1 battery include maximum 100A continuous charge and discharge current, wide range capacity options from 5 kWh to 240 kWh, excellent safety of LiFePO₄ battery, external touch display screen optional, DoD up to 98%. Please inspect the unit to ensure that nothing inside the package is damaged. Additionally, please confirm the receipt of the items listed below. The battery connection port includes. Note: due to the weight of the batteries, kindly adhere to the instructions depicted in the user manual for carrying and installing them. Before commencing the installation, it is essential to gather the necessary tools. Battery placement. Please install the battery indoors and ensure the level of the ground. For the stackable installation with bracket support. Before the installation, please check and confirm the battery is powered off. Step 1. Prepare the support brackets. Step 2. Set battery into 2 pieces of brackets from the rear. Stack battery packs with brackets and fasten screws. For the expansion installation of power and battery modules, we need to place each battery correctly and first connect the positive and negative terminals of each battery to the positive and negative terminals of the junction box, and then connect the wires to the inverter. Note: support up to 48 battery packs connected in parallel to form a 240 kilowatts expanded energy storage system. Verify that all cables are correctly connected. Press the power on button on any battery module for more than 1 second and observe the subsequent illumination of the run ALM and SOC lights. Wait about 5 seconds, then press the inverter on and off button to start the energy storage system. For detailed information regarding parameters and working mode settings, refer to the inverter user manual.